So this section is all about capturing the orientation of each of the elements within our structure. So for bending elements, whether they bend about a major axis or a minor axis has a huge impact on the behavior, the bending behavior of the element. Now, at no point in our Blender modeling did we ever specify for any of our elements what way they were orientated about their longitudinal axis. So we're going to start off in this section by defining a default member orientation that's going to apply to all members. Now later on we'll come back and look at a way of manually overriding this default orientation so that we can have members orientated at different angles, but for now we're going to assume that all members have this default orientation. Now, once we have a predictable orientation for each element, we're going to go back over to a notepad and we're going to start talking through or discussing a strategy for building the reference frame for each of our elements. Now, when we have a plan, when we know what our strategy is, we're going to go back over to our notebook and we're going to implement that in code. So at the end of this section, we'll have calculated and stored the rotation matrices for each of our elements and their transformation matrices as well.